Most people think growing basil is as simple as sticking a plant in the ground. But there is more to this aromatic herb than meets the eye. Basil can thrive indoors and outdoors with the right care. It is a versatile herb used in culinary dishes worldwide. From your favorite pesto to a classic caprese salad, basil adds a punch of flavor. Understanding how to grow and care for your basil plant can make all the difference. Basil loves sunlight. It is essential to provide it with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. A south-facing window is ideal for indoor plants. Outdoors, choose a spot that gets plenty of sun. Basil thrives in well-drained soil. The soil should be moist, but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, a common issue with basil plants. Temperature is crucial for basil. Basil prefers warm temperatures ranging from 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Basil is sensitive to cold. Temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit can stunt growth or even kill the plant. This means that in cooler climates, basil should be grown indoors or as an annual during the warmer months. Pruning basil is key to a bushy, productive plant. Pinching off the tops encourages side growth. As a result, the plant becomes fuller. Regular harvesting also helps. Remove the top leaves regularly. This practice not only promotes growth but also prevents the plant from flowering too soon. Once basil flowers, it can become bitter and lose its flavor. Basil comes in many varieties, each with its unique flavor profile. Sweet basil is the most common. It is ideal for Italian dishes. Thai basil has a spicy, licorice-like taste. It is perfect for Southeast Asian cuisine. Lemon basil and lime basil add a citrusy note to dishes. Choose the variety that best suits your culinary needs. Companion planting can benefit basil. Basil is known to repel pests like aphids and mosquitoes. Planting it near tomatoes can enhance their flavor. Basil can also attract beneficial insects like bees, which help in pollination. Avoid planting basil near rue or sage, as they do not make good companions. Propagating basil is simple. You can grow new plants from cuttings. Take a cutting below a leaf node. Remove the lower leaves and place the cutting in water. In about a week, roots will develop. Once the roots are a couple of inches long, you can transplant the cutting into soil. Fertilizing basil can enhance growth. Use a balanced organic fertilizer. Apply it every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Be mindful not to over-fertilize, as this can lead to lush foliage but less flavor. Pest control is a part of basil care. Watch for common pests like aphids and spider mites. Regularly inspect the leaves for signs of infestation. Insecticidal soap or neem oil can help manage pests effectively. Basil is not just a kitchen staple. It has several health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Basil can aid digestion and support cardiovascular health. Growing your own means you have a fresh supply at your fingertips. To conclude, basil plants are more than just a garnish. They are a rewarding addition to your garden or indoor space. With the right care and attention, basil can provide a bountiful harvest of flavorful leaves. Understanding its needs and characteristics allows you to enjoy this herb in all its glory. Whether in a pot on your windowsill or a garden bed, basil promises to elevate your culinary creations.